Trim-Lok is a family-owned company that's been in business in Southern California for over 50 years. It's a classic American story of a man with an idea that went into business for himself right out of his own garage and grew it into an international success. As time went on and business grew, it became obvious that it was time to expand eastward. The obvious choice for that next chapter was Elkhart, Indiana. Welcome to Trim-Lok Midwest. Trim-Lok manufactures premium extruded plastic and rubber trims and seals. We're an ISO certified and IATF certified automotive grade parts supplier. We're backed by industry-leading engineering and quality control. And now, with Trim-Lok Midwest right here in Elkhart, Indiana, we're able to provide that personal service to customers on this side of the country as well as Canada. Pretty cool, isn't it? Trim-Lok Midwest is not only a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, we've also got tens of thousands of square feet of warehousing space available, allowing us to shorten lead times and reduce shipping costs for our eastern customers. Trim-Lok is the leader and trusted supplier of choice for innovative trim and seal solutions. For more information on all things Trim-Lok, please visit us online at trimlok.com. We're Trim-Lok Midwest, and we're ready to work for you.